Hello guys, this is my lokicraft, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dog. So you just need your spawn wolf and a bone. So you spawn your wolf, then you use the bone, then you tap on the tame button. Then now he has a collar. Now he's a dog. So now stand, sit boy, stand, sit boy, stand, sit boy, stand, sit boy. And now anything you like, you touch, it will kill it. Like watch something, just watch something, and it will follow you anywhere you will go. You need to keep feeding it. Just watch. I'm making kill the villager right now. And oh, just see, I tap on the villager, and the dog will kill it. Kill the dog. Kill it. Kill the boy. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. And the dog killed it. So this is how to make a dog in lokicraft. So you should subscribe and comment down below and like this video. So you are doing 3 things. If you can do it in 2 seconds, you are the best person. Bye bye.